Down in an unfinished basement, you'll have a rough-in for a future bathroom. So when you develop your basement, a lot of the hard work is already done. There'll be a drain in the floor, as you see here, for a shower or a tub. The larger drain poking up out of the floor, that's for a toilet. And then you'll have one that kind of goes up like this. That's for a sink to be located. So that's where all the drains and the vents for those things. Somewhere within the basement, you will also have a pipe sticking out of the wall. That's for venting a future bath fan. So it may not be like in this home, it may not be in the actual room. It'll be somewhere around in the basement. The reason we have to control where that is because it can't be too close to a window or an intake or something else that's venting on the home. So we have to make it work within the realm of the rest of the house, but it will be somewhere in the basement. So when you develop this area, a couple things to remember is it's designed so that you put another wall in front of that frost wall that's there that will cover and hide the pipe that's for the sink. So everything is designed with that in mind. You'll have to add that in, and that's where your water lines will come in to supply all those things.